Hi, my name is Wisconsin, and I'm Illinois. Hey, why does it seem like you're eating a county of me? I do not know. I'm Colorado. Hi. Kentucky. Uh, Hi, Michigan. Whoa. Why am I sideways? This is the first episode. That's gonna include explosions. Very big ones. Is that right? Yep. Good. I feel an itch on my head. Hey, I'm Tennessee. No, do not carry me away, Tennessee. No, don't carry me away. No. I need a solution to get out of. I'm gonna help. That just made it worse. Whoa, oh dear, oh no, please do not put me in here. No. I guess Colorado's frozen. Where's Kentucky? Here in Kentucky. Please do not put me in this water. Yeah. Oh no, I failed. Oh. Yeah! I'm Indiana. I have been in this place before within Louisiana. Wait, did somebody go in here? Yeah, you're very big. Yeehaw! I'm a frozen. Hey, wait, why did he move? You. I'm dead. Help me please. Ooh, I could see a bit of Indiana sticking out. Wow, no, please, no. Do not push me off. No, Arkansas, no.